Welcome to the Light Your Kitchen project from GE Lighting, a Savant company. Installing a premium under-cabinet lighting fixture that's powered by direct wire or plug-in. With our premium under-cabinet bar lighting fixtures, you can make over your kitchen with just a few steps, depending on your power method of choice. These fixtures have a combination of direct wire or plug-in capabilities. We're going to start by walking you through the plug-in process. To learn how to install by direct wiring the fixture, how to adjust the color, and how to link multiple fixtures together, skip ahead in the video. Here's what you need for the plug-in process. When you open the package, you'll see the fixture, one 12-inch linking cable, one strain relief, one recessed connector, one knockout hole cover, and two screw hole covers. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver and a power drill. And we offer a few additional accessories sold separately that could go a long way in enhancing your space, like 24-inch and 36-inch linking cables, a 60-inch grounded power cord, an outlet and USB adapter, and a junction box with a master on-off switch. To purchase any of these, click the link in our description. Before we walk you through these steps, remember, the plug-in requires the power cord, which may be sold separately depending on the model. Step 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to the power source you're installing the fixture in. Step 2. Find the mounting position for your fixture, making sure the input side of the fixture is within 5 feet of an outlet. And if you're linking multiple fixtures, ensure that inputs and outputs are facing each other for a clean connection. Step 3. Mount the fixture using a Phillips screwdriver and the pre-installed captive mounting screws, which work well for cabinet bottoms that are at least 3/8 inches. You may need to pre-drill a pilot hole for the screws. Step 4. Remove the plastic quick connect cap that covers the input port and store the cap in a safe place. You might need it in the future. Then, insert the power cord quick connector. Step 5. Plug in your fixture and secure the cord using cable clips, keeping it snug to the mounting surface. And Step 6. Push in the screw hole covers and turn the power back on at the circuit breaker to make sure everything is working correctly. Now, we'll walk you through the direct wire installation process. A few things to note before you begin. Do not use the power cord when direct wiring the fixture. Only one power method is needed. Also, read through the product instructions completely and proceed with caution. Make sure you follow each step carefully. If you have any concerns with handling wiring, you can either hire a qualified electrician for the installation, consider using the plug-in method, or check out our battery-powered options. Here are the tools you'll need: a Phillips screwdriver, a wire stripper, and a power drill. Let's begin! Step 1. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to the power source you're installing the fixture in. Step 2. Use the screwdriver to remove the knockout and make sure you don't leave the metal circle in the fixture. Note, once the knockout is removed, the luminaire can no longer be powered by the plug-in method. Step 3. Loosen the screw and take off the connection cover. Step 4. Mount the strain relief to the connection cover, securely tightening the nut on the inside of the connection cover. Step 5. Push about 3 inches of supply cable through the strain relief and tighten the screws around it. Step 6. Carefully pull the 3 wires located in the fixture to the outside. Don't force the wires out. Use the wire strippers to remove the insulation and connect each supply cable to the internal wire that matches its color using the wire nuts. Green or bare copper goes to green, white to white, and black to black. Make sure all the wires are securely gripped with no bare wire exposed. Step 7. Gently push the wires back inside the fixture and secure the connection cover back on. Step 8. Mount the fixture using a Phillips screwdriver and the pre-installed captive mounting screws, which work well for cabinet bottoms that are at least 3/8 inches. You may need to pre-drill a pilot hole for the screws. And finally, Step 9. Push in the screw hole covers and turn the power back on at the circuit breaker to make sure everything is working correctly. If your fixture allows you to switch between multiple color temperatures, simply use the slider near the switch. And if you have more than one fixture, you can link up to 10 of them together with a maximum of 220 watts. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Remove the plastic quick connect cap. Step 2. Plug in the linking cable or recessed connector into the output port on the fixture that has power and connect it to the input port of the non-powered fixture. And step 3, make sure the plastic Quick Connect caps are installed in all open ports when you're finished. And there's only one step left. Enjoy your stylish, more functional kitchen. For other Light Your Kitchen project installations or a pre-planning guide to your next upgrade, click here.